So you've decided to finish your basement. You've gone through our pre-planning checklist. Now it's time to put together our plan that tells our trades, suppliers, and building department what we will be building. We've decided to create a combination theater rec room for our new space. If we had decided to put a kitchen or bath down here, we would have located them near the existing plumbing supplies and drains to save money. Also, if we had wanted a bedroom in our space, it would need to go where the escape windows are located. This is required by code. But since we are building a home theater rec room, we don't need to be concerned with these. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is create a scaled drawing that shows the dimensions of the walls we are adding. This will allow the subcontractors to bid the quantity of work and estimate materials. We've decided to add 2 architectural columns in the center of the space to hide the radon pipe. This will save us both time and money in not having to move the pipe, but it also adds some really cool architectural elements to the space with the columns. You can also see on the north side of our drawing here the proposed door that we're going to install. This basically is going to close off the finished space from the storage area and the mechanical room. You can see also the note on our plan for the proposed square footage of 440 square feet. Our plan here is to keep our budget right at about $8 a square foot. Now let's talk about our electrical plan. Because this is a theater room, we've decided to give the space that theater feel with dimmable wall sconces. When the movie starts, we can dial down the light so we can see, but not enough to ruin the experience. On our electrical plan, we designated the red triangle as our wall sconce and the C is for cable outlet. We've got 7 wall sconces equally placed in the space, and we show the cable and standard outlet at the TV location. Our notes show the location of the wall sconce boxes. We don't want to leave this up to the electrician because they could be at any height. We want to designate exactly where they're to go. We've also noted that the electrical outlets are to be horizontal to match the upstairs of the home. Per code, the electrician will run the wires in conduit, and we have asked for a surge protected outlet at the component box we're building. This is a nice feature to have since we'll have hundreds of dollars of hi-fi equipment plugged in 24/7 in this location. Now let's take a look at our HVAC plan for our new finished space. We've designated the supply ducts with the red oval and the return areas with the blue rectangle. Our space is approximately 440 square feet, so we're able to get away with 2 large supplies and 1 return. We have located the supplies on either end of the space, and our cold air return is centrally located. We've made a note on our plan that all supply ducts and return air vents will be ceiling mounted. This is because we have a slab floor. Because we can tie into the existing ducts and returns for our new space, the actual work will be minimal. And we've already checked on the furnace and air conditioning size and have determined that the existing equipment will condition the new space just fine, which is going to save us a whole lot of money in our budget. Well, that does it for our new finished basement plan. Stay tuned for our next segment on ways to protect your new space from water damage.